Hi friends, this is one of our favorite videos to make, so let's get into it. Every single month we release a giant digital printable kit for you guys, and today we are going over our latest release for November. This kit is called Vintage Market Collection and it is stunning. So let's get ready for a month of fun and we're going to take a look at the kit. If you like staying up to date on all of our stuff and being a part of the best community ever, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It totally helps us out and we have such a good time together. It's also important to mention that if you like the kit that we see today, then you can actually get it in one of two ways. The first way I recommend the most because it is the most affordable, and it is to subscribe during the month of November. And if you miss that, then you can purchase just the kit with no subscription on our website or on our Etsy. A few other fun things that in addition to that giant kit every month, we also have tutorials, a Facebook group, and other resources for you guys. Now that some of that important information is out of the way, I would like to introduce to you guys our latest kit for November, the Vintage Market Collection. I am absolutely obsessed with this kit because it makes for the most perfect and beautiful Tim Holtzy Christmas collection ever. It is perfect. I will also say that if you do not want a Christmas kit for this time of year, then this kit is still perfect. It has lots of vintage elements and beautiful images that you can use, and all you have to do is exclude the few elements in it that are very Christmassy if you want to avoid that Christmas feeling. So we're gonna go and look at each of our sections and what is available in the kit. First off is papers. Papers, in my opinion, are the bread and butter of a kit. You need good papers to have a good kit. And so that's what we really focus on every single month, is getting a solid collection with a lot of variety of different patterns, colors, and prints for you guys to work with. You're going to see strong themes of red, green, cream, and a little bit of yellow in the papers in this kit, and lots of fun different patterns. We also include these things called double pages in all of our kits, which are just these pre-made pages. If you want to just cut these, put them in a journal, fold them, create a journal, it's totally up to you. So usually the kits will come with about 5 of those and then one beautiful cover as an option. Moving on to a favorite section of mine are the ephemera pieces from this vintage collection. So lots of old, restored vintage images in the colors for this kit that are just beautiful. Moving right along, we have some fun layering pieces and just some other kind of random pieces to have in the kit. These are faux washi tape strips. These are layering frames, so you'll cut everything out and layer those pieces on top, some layering blank writing spaces, some words, and some writing cards. For this month, we made sure to also include a good variety of tags. So some are a little bit more plain and ready to be embellished. Some have just some bright colors, some neutral colors, and some are already kind of pre-embellished, so they're good to go. Now, the envelopes in this kit are absolutely fantastic. There is a huge variety of sizes, shapes, colors, and everything. And what I love about the envelopes especially is that they come with tidbits, tags, and other things to embellish the outside, to add on the inside, and they're just beautiful. Let's move on to pockets, which also have an incredible variety this month. These are file folders, which can be used however, but also as pockets. These are fantastic pockets, more pockets, lots of sizes, big, small, unique shapes, everything. And I love these ones. These are slide pockets, so super cute. And finally, I want to show you guys the fussy cuts and smaller pieces in the kit. So 2 pages of kind of classic fussy cuts, 1 page of these vintage label tidbits, and then 1 page of vintage buttons, as well as 2 pages of the bonus Christmas fussy cuts. So if you really want to dive into that Christmas feeling, just use a bunch of these and they are adorable. Well, that wraps up our video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are absolutely the best. I have had so much fun using this kit, making this kit. We have some fun tutorials on the way. Just a reminder, you can get the kit in one of 2 ways. You can become a subscriber, or of course, you can always purchase the kit just on our Etsy or our website just as is. So much fun. And don't forget that I'll have everything linked in the description of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the rest of the videos for the month of November. Goodbye.